The Sandbox is an Ethereum-based metaverse and gaming ecosystem where assets and games can be created, shared, and monetized. Are you a big admirer of NFTs and are looking for an easy solution to increase your capital? Afterwards, it's time to take it easy. Whoop whoop, Crypto Hut is pleased to have you return. We'll be talking on why you should own at least 300 plus sand. At the end of the year, your money could be worth more than 10 times as much as it is now. There are 2 ways to make money with Sandbox: generating revenue and purchasing Sandbox. Definitely don't miss it. We'll take a look at why the Sandbox is taking over the NFT world at the end of the movie. Don't miss out on this opportunity if you want to double your money by the end of the year and also receive passive income in the process. Hit the like button and subscribe to our newsletter if you haven't already done so for the latest news and updates on the newest buzzing cryptocurrencies out there. First things first, so let's get started. How many sandboxes do you need to own? Cryptocurrency gaming is a rapidly developing area of cryptocurrency. Cryptographic proof of ownership of land parcels and game items in a digital world is now possible for the first time ever in gaming history. Having an NFT ensures that you are the sole owner of a certain object and that no one else, not even the developers, may take it. Because of the unique ownership feeling provided by this, customers are willing to pay millions of dollars for virtual land that has no real-world value. Such a game as Sandbox. As a result, you can never go wrong with more than 300 sand in your collection. It is possible to purchase digital assets and land with sand. These digital assets and land are represented by the ERC-721 tokens, which are NFTs. The lands, a 96 by 96 meter digital area, can be used by players to house games and assets of various kinds. Only 166,464 land parcels will ever be created. An estate is formed when a player merges many lands into a single property. The sand tokens, as well as the gems and catalysts, 2 other token kinds required for the generation of asset, can be staked to obtain more sand. Assets tier and scarcity are defined by ERC-20 catalysts, with common assets being the least scarce and legendary assets being the most scarce. The tiers span from common to legendary. Each time a gem is utilized, the token is destroyed. Gems can be purchased from other players in addition to being earned through sand staking. Players' Ethereum gas prices are covered by the Sandbox, resulting in a better user experience. Sand token transaction volume is also split 50/50 in favor of the nonprofit Sandbox Foundation, which funds grants and works to spread awareness of sand. To develop, distribute, and profit from in-world goods and game experiences, the Sandbox is an Ethereum-based metaverse. Traditional gaming markets are disrupted by Pixels the Sandbox, a platform aimed to give gamers and producers more control over their content. Ownership of in-world inventions is completely up to the user in the Sandbox. 3 products make up the Sandbox. User-created metaverse objects, such as humans, animals, and tools are all possible using Vox Edit. One smart contract can generate fungible and non-fungible tokens using these assets, which are defined by the ERC-1155 token standard. A marketplace where users can sell and promote their assets after uploading them to the interplanetary file system is known as the Sandbox Marketplace. Users can develop 3D games for no cost with the Sandbox Game Maker. As long as you have an internet connection, you can take advantage of the robust collection of tools provided by the Sandbox, even if you have no prior experience with computer programming. The Sandbox ecosystem Tokenomics. The Sandbox ecosystem makes use of a variety of tokens in order to provide a platform for tokenized assets in gaming. Sand is an ERC-20 token that serves as the currency of the ecosystem. For example, sand tokens are used to play games, buy equipment, or design your avatar. As a governance token, Sand will allow its holders to influence changes to the ecosystem when the Sandbox DAO is founded. In the Sandbox, how to make money. There are numerous methods to make money in the Sandbox. You can sell your assets that you've created in Vox Edit through the Sandbox Marketplace. The pricing range for assets such as animals and vehicles ranges from less than 10 sand to more than 1,000 sand. With the Sandbox Game Maker, you may either create and market your own games, or you can earn incentives as a player of other people's games. In addition to renting out your land, you can also boost its value by filling it with content. Sandbox is one of a number of crypto metaverses that are seeking to alter the relationship between game developers, gamers, and gaming platforms. Gamers will be rewarded for the enormous value they provide for platform operators thanks to the Sandbox and its ilk, which is helping to create a new gaming market. why you could get a 10x return on your investment in the next few days. For the sake of expediting the growth of our metaverse, the Sandbox virtual game universe has raised $93 million. By increasing our funding, we'll be able to provide additional resources for our growing network of brands and intellectual property owners. With over 50 first-party projects, 6 development studios, thousands of artists, and brand new jobs being generated through our play-to-earn model, the ecosystem is fast-growing in size and importance. A player-owned economy's goal of transforming players into creators is broadening as the ecosystem's digital possibilities deepen. What is Sandbox's future? Sandbox's 2021, 2022, and 2023 plans are rather extensive. Sand staking will be used for voting on how the creators' fund is managed. Regular land sales will continue and the game will be available on a wider range of platforms. And multiplayer mode will be made available. This game will be released on consoles, new NFTs will be added to the metaverse, and new game maker features will be activated by 2022. According to Sandbox, the Sand price forecast for the year 2022. In just 1 year, the price of Sand token increased tenfold, from 6 cents to 60 cents. The token's value was 43 cents in January of the next year. Players can develop their own metaverses with the use of helpful tools provided by this asset, making it a sought-after investment for investors. The excitement surrounding NFTs and the potential revenue streams offered by the game only serve to increase its resale value. Predicted pricing for Sand on the Wallet investor platform is $5.23 in a year's time. The cryptocurrency is expected to reach $10 by 2022, according to Trading Beasts. Sand's earning potential. Mining for Sand halted in July. Staking Sand for rewards is only being offered at this time. There is, however, a novel way to make money with Sandbox at the moment. There is a land token in the Sandbox ecosystem, which represents parcels of land in the game that you may buy. With Sandbox, you can never have more than 166 Kelvin pieces of land. At the same time, interest in the game continues to rise. To some gamers, it's a smart investment because when the demand for land increases, you can rent it to game creators who want to create their games, you can stake land, you can let people host their shops or galleries, and much more. The future of the land price is unknown, and no one knows how profitable this investment will be in the long run. Many people have been drawn to Sandbox because of its addicting gameplay mechanics, easy-to-use tools for creating in the metaverse, and potential for financial gain. During the pandemic, the game garnered a lot of attention. Some users spent their entire lockdowns playing Sandbox. What makes Sand so important are its sense of ownership and freedom to develop, as well as the fact that there is only so much land to go around. What is the Sandbox's price? Open a free account online. Sand may be traded on a number of prominent platforms, including Gemini, Crypto.com, and Binance. The iOS and Android apps for Gemini and Crypto.com are both excellent. In order to trade Sand, you'll need to open an account on one of these exchanges. A crypto wallet can be purchased or downloaded. You should move your new tokens off the exchange if you don't intend to use them in the near future. You can eliminate the risk of a successful hack on a large exchange by fully controlling your tokens. Make a transaction to begin. You'll need to deposit money into your exchange account. Linking your bank account and making a transfer are the simplest ways to deposit dollars. However, until your deposit is cleared, you won't be able to withdraw your cryptocurrency from Gemini or Crypto.com. Once you've made the necessary deposits, go to the exchange and buy Sand. It's everything here for you, gentlemen. Thanks for watching the entire video until the finish. What do you think about this topic? Please leave a comment below. If you haven't already done so, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Smash the notification bell to be alerted anytime we post a new video. I'll see you then.